Good day folks, welcome in another Blender quick tips video. So let's get started. If you use the traditional way to save your renders like this, so now I've something new for you. Head to the Compositor tab and check Mark Use Nodes. Now search for File Output and connect nodes. And now choose a path for your renders. Now render the image. Go to the file and check for saves. Here you go, your renders. Now here is more. You can save renders at more than one locations by duplicating them and select locations separately. Now render again and you will find all the renders in their separate locations. Now wait, again here is more. You can actually save different type of renders according to you, like denoised image and normal image at different locations. That's it for today, and if you still have not subscribed this channel, so subscribe the channel. This really helps me to stay motivated and make more of contents. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in another video.